Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving deep into the amazing world of premium Korean skincare. Now, we all know it's globally loved for a reason, right? It delivers absolutely incredible results. But let's be totally honest with ourselves for a second. Getting started with a premium multi-step routine can feel like a massive upfront financial commitment. So today, we're going to explore a really clever strategy to confidently enter the world of premium K-beauty without totally emptying your wallet before you even know if the products actually work for your face.
So tell me if this sounds familiar. Have you ever regretted a high-end skincare purchase? Because I'm pretty sure we've all been there. Picture this. You drop hundreds of dollars on this beautiful, full-sized luxury skincare set just because someone on the internet said it was a literal miracle in a bottle. But then you get it home, you start using it, and you quickly realize your skin absolutely hates step 3. It's incredibly frustrating, right? You're just stuck with these super expensive, full-size bottles gathering dust on your bathroom counter. And that perfectly illustrates the core problem we're tackling today. On one hand, you have full-sized blind buys. That's a super high financial risk and a huge commitment for something you've never even physically tried. But on the other hand, you have the smart buyer's secret, travel-sized trials. It's a brilliant, low-risk strategy. Instead of just crossing your fingers and hoping a full-size regimen works out, you use a travel-sized experience kit to test the compatibility with your unique skin first. It's like a try-before-you-buy cheat code, and it just makes total strategic sense. Enter the ultimate solution to this exact problem, the RIMAN Expert Experience Kit. This gorgeous little box contains 7 absolute bestsellers from the highly sought-after In-Seldom Expert line. And the best part? It's not just some random assortment of loose samples they threw together. It is the entire core ritual, completely scaled down. You actually get to experience the whole routine exactly as it was originally designed to be used by the skincare experts. Okay, so what are you actually getting inside that box? Well, these definitely aren't those tiny, annoying, tear-off foil packets that barely last for a single day. We are talking about 7 generous, TSA-approved, travel-sized bottles. That means you can absolutely toss them in your carry-on for a flight without getting tackled by airport security. But more importantly, experience kits like this give you enough product for a full 2 to 3 week trial run of the entire sequence. And that is exactly how long it takes for a new routine to start feeling automatic, and for you to truly see how your skin responds.
Now, I know what some of you might be thinking right now. 7 products? Are you kidding me? That sounds like a part-time job. But don't worry, we can easily demystify this potentially overwhelming process by breaking it down into a highly memorable, super easy to digest daily mantra. Just say it with me. Cleanse, layer, and seal. If you can remember that one phrase, the whole ritual practically orders itself. It totally takes the guesswork out of the equation.
Let's quickly break down that first step, cleansing. Your morning and evening routines are going to differ slightly here, but both are incredibly straightforward. In the morning, you really just need a quick refresh using the Balancing Gel Cleanser. Super easy. But the evening routine, that opens with a true K-beauty staple, the double cleanse. First, you use the moisture cleansing oil on dry skin to literally melt away the day's makeup, sunscreen, and impurities. Then you follow it up with that same Balancing Gel Cleanser for a beautifully fresh feel that absolutely will not overdry your skin.
All right, now for the absolute most fun part, layering. This is where we uncover a very specific signature K-beauty secret technique, and it's called Boo Su Boo. It basically stands for Booster Serum Booster. Here is how it actually works in practice. You apply the dermatology booster, give it just a brief moment to absorb, apply the dermatology serum, and then you literally seal that active step with another layer of the booster. That small pause and layering technique is the exact insider secret to achieving that incredibly radiant, dewy, layered in-cell-derm finish that K-beauty is so famous for.
And finally, we reach the last part of our mantra, seal. The final step is sealing in all of those amazing hydrating layers with a rich dermatology cream. This cream is fantastic because it supports firm, resilient-looking skin while locking in every single layer beneath it so they can really do their magic. The kit covers you perfectly from that very first cleanse all the way to this final cream. Just remember, for your daytime routine, you simply add your own broad-spectrum SPF as the true final step. Basically, just think of it as the bodyguard for the glow you just built.
So you're probably wondering, where do you actually find this specific, perfectly curated kit? Enter sayhello-to-glow.com. They are your premier trusted K-beauty curator. If you want to start a Korean skincare journey without dealing with those crazy overseas wait times or stressing about shady third-party sellers, this is absolutely your destination. They curate authentic RIMAN Insulderm specifically for U.S. shoppers, and they ship it right domestically. And honestly, the perks of shopping at this online store are just massive. You can essentially go to this online store for all popular Korean skincare brands. They carry the heavy hitters you've definitely heard of, like COSRX, Medicube, Beauty of Joseon, Anewa, and Biodance. But what I really love? All products are guaranteed original with authenticity seals, so you literally have total peace of mind. Plus, once you realize you love the products and decide to stock up, they offer free shipping over $200. It's truly a fantastic one-stop hub for the whole K-beauty shebang. Let's get down to the numbers, because this is where the value really truly shines. $119. That is the incredibly accessible price point for the 7-piece RIMAN Experience Kit. For a really elegant gift box that contains weeks' worth of a premium 7-step ritual, this is hands down the best entry to a skincare routine prior to buying entire full-sized bottles. Whether it's a little treat for yourself to finally test these products out, or a beautifully packaged gift for a friend, the value here is just undeniable. To really hammer this point home, it's $119 for the Experience Kit versus $380 for the full-size set. Now, don't get me wrong, the full-size set is incredible once you know for a fact that you love the routine. It's definitely the best long-term value per use. But if you are brand new to the line, the Experience Kit is the ultimate smart buyer move. You try before you fully commit. You fall for the ritual in miniature, and then you graduate to full sizes knowing precisely what you're buying. Zero buyer's remorse. But hey, there is one fundamental rule you absolutely cannot ignore. Consistency is the key to glowing skin. Having an amazing 7-piece kit just sitting there looking pretty on your bathroom counter won't do anything for your skin unless you actually use it. It only teaches you the ritual if you repeat it twice daily. Those generous travel-size bottles in this kit give you enough runway to build that automatic habit. Run the kit at the exact same times every single day, maybe right after you brush your teeth, and just let the muscle memory take over. Because at the end of the day, the best skincare decisions are made with your own skin, not by relying exclusively on some stranger's review online. Which leaves us with one final, very important question to think about. How much money have you already wasted on full-size blind buys when the perfect low-risk trial was literally waiting for you all along? It's time to finally test a premium routine on your own face. Head over to sayhellotoglow.com to grab your kit and discover the ritual your skin has been missing all this time.